Welcome, in front of me I have SUUNTO Vertical 2 and I'm gonna show you how to stop the workout on this watch. So let me quickly stop some workout, for example hiking. Oh, I opened the guide by mistake. Can we skip this? Okay, we skip this. And the workout is going, let's say, for some period of time, and you decided to stop it. To stop the workout, you need to press the upper button. It will open this menu. And in this menu, you will see this stop button right here. You need to press the lower button to stop the workout. And here you have option to end it or discard. End option stops the workout and saves your data from it. And discard option stops the workout and removes the data. You don't save the data from the workout. Let's say you want to save the data, so select end and press the button. Here you can select how you feel after the workout. And then you will see the workout summary. Here we have it. And you can scroll through it to check the data. If your watch is paired with a phone, you can always check the data on the phone. So let's zoom out the camera. Like this. You will see the notification from the app that your activity was uploaded to the app, and then you can open the home page, and here you have the activities, and you have the list of activities, and you can tap on one and see the summary of it. And you have different pages and stuff like that. And once you're done, you can close the app, of course. And that's how you stop the workout on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.